In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your Outlook information and transfer it into Evolution, which is the Linux email program. We've already done an export of our PST from Outlook. That was in the first article. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make sure that the PST is there. We're going to go to our migration folder and then go to the folder called Outlook PST. And if you've done everything correctly, you should see something .pst here. This is a backup of all your Outlook information. Now we're going to use Mozilla, which you can download for free at mozilla.org. So you're going to download it and install it. Then you're going to open up Mozilla. After Mozilla comes up, go to Window and Mail and Newsgroups. On this screen, we're going to go to Tools, Import, and then select Mail, and then Next. We're going to click on Outlook and click Next. And now Mozilla is going to take all of your information from Outlook and turn it into what's called an mbox format. After the import is finished, Mozilla is going to show you what folders were imported and how many messages. We're going to click on Finish and close out of Mozilla. And now we have to actually find the mbox files and transfer them to our migration folder. We're going to go to My Computer, C Drive, Documents and Settings, your username, Application Data, Mozilla, Profiles, Default, go inside that folder, Mail, Local Folders, and finally you'll have outlookmail.sbd. We're going to right click on this, copy it, and paste it inside of our migration folder under Outlook PST. And we're going to change the folder name to something a little easier to type in. We'll call it Export. Now that you've used Mozilla to export your Outlook mail, you're not done yet, because if you have contacts and calendars and other stuff within Outlook, you're going to want to export that also. And program to use is called Outport. You can get it from SourceForge. And here we've already put it in our migration folder and the other folder. And remember, we're still on your Windows machine. Double click on Outport, and we're going to double click on outport.exe. And here what we're going to do is we're going to select our calendar, contacts, and tasks. And you can see on the right side it's asking you what format you want to export to. Calendar is going to be put into Evolution, contacts is going to be put into Evolution, and tasks is going to be put into Evolution format. We're going to put it on the desktop, and we're going to click on Export. It's going to open up Outlook, and you'll click Yes. You're only going to see this screen if you have Service Pack 3 for XP 2002, or if you're using Outlook 2003. Now we're going to close out Outport and go to our desktop. Now you see a folder called Local. Let's double click and see what's inside. You'll see the calendar. You'll see your contacts and your tasks. We're going to take this local folder and copy it into our migration folder under Outlook PST. And instead of calling it local, we're going to call it outport. Now we're in our final stages of our Outlook migration. We're on our Linux box and we're going to open up Evolution Email. And we're going to expand out the window and then go to File and Import. And we're going to click on Next and import a single file. You can see the file type is on automatic. We're going to leave it there and let Evolution choose the file type. Then we're going to click on Browse and we have to go to our migration folder and find our export folder. Inside there you'll see the different folders for inbox, outbox, sent items, etc. So we're going to start off with the inbox. I'm going to import that, and if you want to import the other folders you'll have to do those separately. Now it's asking where we want to put it. We're going to put it in local folders and click OK. And now it's asking you to select an importer. We can just leave it on Mbox and click OK. It does the import, and you can see in the inbox we have a couple messages, so it means it works. Now we're going to have to import our calendar. We go back to the same import file, import selection. And we're going to have to go back to our migration folder and find our outport folder. And you can see our calendars there. And we double click on calendar.ics and go through the same steps. And we're going to select local folders and calendar. It's going to start the import of the calendar, and you'll do the same thing for your tasks and contacts. And then you'll be done.